Welcome to Project Insight. Today I'll be explaining the date range options when filtering on a report. To begin from the report of your choice, click the filter option in the top right. And from here, you'll look at scheduled dates. Under scheduled dates, you have 4 options, which in this case on a project report will show all active projects from any date. Dynamic dates, which selects items in a dynamic date range. This is the most commonly used option and gives users many options on the date ranges they'd like to select from. So for example, its default is current month, but you can select current week, current semi-month, current quarter, current year, last week, etc. Next, going over filter types, the default and most commonly used filter type is occurs in. In this case, this will just select any active project that exists within this month. So for example, if a project lasts from January to December of this year, it will appear in this filter. The next is starts in. This would only select projects that start this month. Ends in, which would only select projects that end this month. And contained within, which would only select projects that start and end within the month. The next scheduled date option is specific dates, which allows you to filter by specific dates. And on the far right of this option, if you click on this calendar icon with the 2 arrows in it, you'll be able to select from commonly used date ranges, similar to how the dynamic date range works. So for example, we can select current year. The next option is rolling dates, which allows you to select a date range based on a specific day. So for example, if we put starting as 0, that would be today. And days of 30, that would select items from now to 30 days from now. However, if I put starting at -5, it would select projects from 5 days ago to 30 days from now. You can also select periods for this. You can select days, weeks, months, quarters, and years. So if we put years, we would be selecting all projects that start 5 years from before now and 30 years into the future. That's all you need to know about date ranges and Project Insight. For more information on reporting and filtering, you can reference our existing videos and documentation on the subject.